In this video, I will show you how to search and buy or how to buy the Twilio phone number. Step number 1. This is the official guide from the Twilio Help Center. Step number 1 says access the buy number page in the console. This is found in the console under the development phone numbers. Step number 2 says enter the criteria of the phone number and then tap search. So for the issue of the criteria, guys, here you have to choose search by digits, search by phrases. If you're in the United States, put your country code +1 and then choose how to search. And then you also have to check mark this if you want a voice, SMS, MMS or fax. You have to specify. Then after that, we shall go to the next step. Step number 3 says search results will be displayed with the phone number, location, type, capabilities, price listed, and then you choose either to buy it. As you can see, here are the numbers which have been listed, or the search results have shown these numbers. We have this one which is in Bethel, Ohio. So you go ahead and choose. If you want to buy it, this one will cost you $1.1 monthly to use it. Actually, all of them cost $1.1. So you choose the one you want. After choosing the one you want, go ahead and purchase. Simply that. Thanks for watching, guys. Like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We shall meet once again.